Welcome guys to a new video. In today's video I'm going to do an update to the problem we all been having on the Note 10 or Note 10 Plus. Charging is being paused, temperature is too low, or you get the triangle of death. As you guys can see, I have my wireless inductor NFC connector already on the phone plugged in, but when I go and connect the charger, let's see, we get the triangle of death. Let me go closer. You see, that is the triangle of death. So I want to address this issue because a lot of you are being asking me what's going on. I replaced the NFC connector, I replaced the charging port, I make sure it's connected, and I'm still getting the triangle of death. I'm here to save your life once again. Thanks me later, maybe in the comments down below. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe with notification on, so that way you don't miss next time I upload a new video. Alright, that being out of the way, let's get into it. Okay, the problem that I have found right now is, you see, as I told you, I already plugged in the NFC connector and I'm still getting this triangle of death. So let's begin showing you. Let me unplug this cable and let me also unplug the battery. And we're gonna check 2 points. We're gonna check the NFC inductor connection right here. We're gonna check that, and we're gonna check also on the phone. Both of them, the little Lego connectors, we're gonna check both of them. And let's do it right now. Let me switch the camera to the microscope so I can show you. Alright, here we go. Let's look at the phone connection first. Okay. There you go. Look at that. It looks really healthy. If you put you know, lift the phone a little bit, you see, you can see the size right there. And you have to look if the connector is not broken, because sometimes you see these little joints right here, they might be broken, or if you move them with the tweezer, they're gonna move. If that happens, that is the problem you're having. It doesn't matter how many times you replace this inductor, it never gonna work, because if this connector is not making good contact with the motherboard, because you need this to make contact with the motherboard. It doesn't matter if it's plugged in, but if it's not making contact, that doesn't mean like you're doing it right. So first, check this. You see, everything is fine over here. Everything is fine. Just check it. It's a quick look, you know. You don't have to look for nothing specific. That's the connector on the motherboard. Okay. Now everything is good over there. So now we're gonna switch to the NFC inductor itself. So let's see. Let's take a look at the connector. All right, this one. Let's see. And this is what I'm talking about. Let me put it right here. Let me make sure you guys can see this, because okay, this is kind of smaller. All right, let's take a look. And I already seen something. Oh, my tweezers are dirty. Okay. If you can see right here, I'm gonna move it. I don't know, it's gonna be kind of hard to look at on the microscope, but you can see if I put my tweezer right here, you see it opens right there, right where the joints are, right here. Same thing happened with the other one. So we have a weak or already broken connection right here. We have the plug right here. It's fine. Everything you see is not broken, but the joint right here, the solder, is cracked. And this other side, let me take a look. No, it's fine over there. But on this side, you see that the solder is cracked. So that's the point I'm trying to make. Sorry if I talk too much. Sorry if I'm telling you all this before I go to the point. But this is the point I'm trying to make. If this connector has a crack solder, it is not gonna work. Never it's gonna work, because we need this to make contact. You know, to transfer energy, we need a solid contact, one element to the other. If not, we're not gonna get any power, any electric signal sent to the motherboard. So that being said, let's begin with the solder. Let me grab my flux. I'm gonna put a little bit of flux on both sides. I'm not gonna be lazy just doing the one that I see already is bad. I'm gonna do it on both sides. Let me grab my soldering iron and grab a little bit of solder. A little bit. I don't need that much. Let me see if I have a smaller tip. Okay. There we go. That tip is gonna be fine. All right. I have a little bit of solder, and I'm gonna solder this. Okay. Really strong. You see? Make sure it makes a good contact. If you put a little bit too much, it's fine. Don't worry. Same thing on the other side. Gonna steal a little bit from here. We're gonna touch all of them. See how fat that one looks? Perfect. Let me grab a little bit from here. That's it. You see? That's all we're gonna do. Let me clean this a little bit with alcohol. All right. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I call like nice solder. Nice. Let me take a quick look from the side. All right. Let me go closer. It's gonna be kind of dark. It's really dark. Let me see if I have my light can go brighter. I think it does. Let me see. Okay. As you guys can see, now is really strong. That's what we're looking for. And if you move it or trying to put, I'm gonna put my tweezer right there. You see, it's not cracked. You see the ball of solder right here, shiny, nice and beautiful. There is not cracking there no more. There used to be a crack, but it's no more. All right, let's get back to the phone. Let me change these right here. Oh. All right. There you go. Okay. Take a look now. We're gonna plug in. This video is taking longer than I thought. All right. Probably I'm not gonna edit, just to make sure you guys get the message. Okay. Plugged in the NFC and the battery. And let's plug in the charging port. Probably this phone is gonna be dead, just to Just to let you know, it's gonna be dead. God knows how long it's been without charge because of this problem. All right, let's see. Okay, we had the lightning bolt right there. Let's see if it charges. Woohoo! Oh man, this brings so much joy to my life. And not to my life, probably to the owner of the phone too, because he actually bring the phone to get fixed. And what he gonna get? His phone fixed. I mean, I love this. I love this. I love this, and that's why I'm sharing, because I want you guys to know too. This is supposed to be I made this page, I mean this channel, with that purpose, to share with people whatever I can, you know, like share with you guys something that it's gonna be helpful for you guys on your life. Maybe not life, but you know, get you out of trouble. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna let this phone just sit in there and charge, and we're gonna put it back together, and you know, all the fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, I have my camera like in a weird angle, so I don't want to even move it because I already fell twice. So once again, thank you guys for being here. Thank you for I mean, if you can, just subscribe to the channel. That really is gonna help me a lot. I mean, it's gonna help me a lot. Thank you guys. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye. All right, let's push. We finish. We already finished. Yeah. Wow, 2% already. That's fast.